This one. Share. Oh. So, Vijay, you finished your project work, huh? You finished your project work, huh? You finished your project work? These are your math papers. Very good writing. First paper is Prince's paper only. Eh? Prince got out of 40, 45. 45. With out of 40, he got 140. He got 70. No one crossed. Okay. Why exam is so tough? Huh? What, sir? Huh? Question paper is 14 is the highest mark. Rohit. Question paper is there, Rohit? I think I need to solve every question, right? Eh? What proof? Which velocity? Where? Which question? Okay, if you leave 19, then you got how many marks? Tell me. Eh? Eh?
So it is like, out of the NCERT, how 12 to 1 to 6 part it's a quadratic equation, what the degree is to. How many equations are
12th one is not a quadratic equation. I think.
the question which is in the NCERT book is the question is that in the exam totally different from the question that in the NCERT book.
Oh, totally different, eh?
We never like you comparison is all the question like 21st problem.
Okay, like 21st one is for how many marks?
5 marks.
You got 35, huh?
Sir, because of that we lost the 5 marks. 5 marks is
Anyway, that 19th, 20. That is 1 mark only, right? 19th is 1 mark only, right? Ah.
Just ask if you will not tell you the questions for 21st and 16th.
Okay, we'll see the 9th question, 19th, this 17 to 20 at the last. Okay. We'll solve 17 to 20 at last. Okay.
19 and the 21st are the last.
Hmm. So which are the other questions you are not sure? No question is. Next one. So how to solve the 16th one? Huh? Any idea?
This one, sir.
Uh,
If I had an idea, I would have
uh,
So which question, sir?
16. Hmm. First you can calculate the LCM, no? Once you calculate the LCM, then you will get the quadratic equation. You need to solve the quadratic equation finally, right? Huh? What do you 2 into 2x minus 1 by x plus 3, x plus 3 by 2x minus 1 equal to 5. What's the LCM here? X plus 3 into 2x minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 2x minus 1 whole square minus 3 into x plus 3 whole square equal to 5. Okay. So 2 into what is 2x minus 1 whole square? 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 into x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 5 into x square 2x square plus how much? 6x minus x 5x minus 3. Is that right? Then 8x square minus 8x plus 2 minus 3x square minus 18x minus 27 equal to 10x square plus 10x square, or it's 25x minus 6. Is that right? Minus 15. Is this right? Just I expanded. I didn't do anything. So 8x square minus 3x square is 5x square minus 8x minus 18x minus 26x minus 25 equal to 10x square plus 25x minus 15, which is equal to 5x square plus 51x plus 10 equal to 0. Is this right? Huh? Is it right? What are the factors here? Product should be 51, 50, sum should be 51. So if you take 51, then 50 to 1 will be, product will be 50, sum will be 51. So you'll get it right? Huh? So next question, which question you want me to solve? Whatever the question one, we know how to do it, right? The practiced one only, right? But at least I should expect at least some 20 marks. It's not that complete paper is unknown. So how to solve the first question? Has two distinct roots if. How to solve it? Sorry? Ax square plus 2x plus a equal to 0. Then it has a two distinct roots. What is the condition if? Anyway, there are three options, right? What are the three options? A plus or minus 1 is one option. A equal to 0. So if a equal to 0, it's not a quadratic equation, right? So all the three options will go out. You don't need to even solve also. If a equal to 0, it's not a quadratic. So you don't need to solve it. You can simply say equal to plus or minus. Or if you need to solve it, how to solve it? If you need to solve this question, how to solve it? Zero. What is the b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. Okay. So what's the b here? 4 minus 4a square. 1 minus a square must be greater than 0. A square. 1 must be greater than a square. A square. So it implies a must be, has a two distinct roots. So yeah, if you keep a equal to plus 1, what will happen? It implies a must be greater than or equal. A lies between minus 1 plus 1. Is that right? Equal to. But if you keep equal to, then let's say if you keep a equal to 1, it will be x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then it has the two same roots, no? If you keep a equal to plus or minus. If you keep a equal to 1, let's say what's this one? Ax square plus 2x plus a equal to 0, right? Oh, they are saying, okay. You keep a equal to 1, then x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That implies it is x plus 1 whole square equal to 0, right? So then it has same roots, no? It doesn't have a distinct roots. If a equal to minus 1, then minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, which is again equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which is x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Again, it has the same roots. If whether it's a plus 1 or whether it's a minus 1. Rohit? That's equal roots, no, not a distinct roots, right? If you keep a equal to 1 or minus 1. So if you keep a 0, it will become, it's not a quadratic at all. square plus equal to 1. X square plus 2x plus 1x plus 1 whole square. A equal to 0, then it's a 2x equal to 0, x equal to 4. 2 distinct roots. I think the question is should be like a real and equal, not a distinct. Okay. The question is not a distinct, it should be equal. The second one, the roots of the quadratic equation are, how will you find it out? What's the b square minus 4ac value? Which is greater than 0, so real and distinct. So what is the third one? Discriminant of the quadratic equation, b square minus 4ac, right? So if one root of the equation is 2, then other root. How to find out? So from that one root, you need to find out the k value, right? How did you find out, Rohit? Sorry? Randomly? One root is c by a. What is the product of the roots formula? C by a. What is sum is? Minus b by a, right? Minus b by a equal to, okay, let's take both of them. Minus b by a is? Minus b by a is minus k by 2, right? What is 2? Minus b by a equal to, okay, minus k by 2 equal to sum of the roots is, let's say take that one as some alpha plus 2, other root take is it alpha. Okay, so this is one equation. What is the product of the roots? C by a. C by a is how much here? 2. 2 equal to, oh, from second equation itself we are getting, no? Only 2 equal to alpha into 2 alpha, right? Alpha equal to 1 you are getting, no? I think you no need to even solve for k value. So what is the product of the roots? Which is equal to c by a, which is equal to 2. So if you take other root as alpha, which is 2 into alpha, 2 alpha equal to 2, alpha equal to Huh? So if you consider roots as, it has two roots, no? One root is already given as 2. So take other root as some alpha. So what is the product of the roots? 2 into alpha, right? Product of roots equal to c by a, right? What is here c by a? So alpha will be 1 only, right? What about the fifth one? Rectangular field. Vijay, can you read the question by question? Question. So these type of questions we solved in the class. No? You answered that one, huh?
Rectangular field is 16 meter long and 10 meter wide. Then the path of uniform width all around it having an area of 120 square meter. Then the width of the path is.
So rectangular field has 60 meter length and 10 meter. 16 and 10, right? So what is the area this one? 160. No. Area of the rectangular field. Rectangular field is 16 meter long, 10 meter wide, means area of this rectangular field is 160, right? There is a path of uniform width and width all around it having an area of 120 square meter. And the width of the path is. But around it. How did you solve it, Vijay? Huh? How did you solve it? Eh? How much you got? How did you get? Rohit? Vijay, how did you get the answer? So there is a so this is a rectangular field, right? So around it there is a path, uniform path. Let's say take this one, okay? Here, which has width. We need to find out the width, right? So now, so what is this one? Width related WW, right? This is also. So now what is the length? 16 plus. Okay. So area of this one, they have given the area of this one, right? Okay. So area of total, this one is, what is the total length? 16 plus W. Total width is 10 plus W. Okay. Minus 16 into 10 equal to 120. Understood? So you need to subtract that actual rectangular area from that to get the passage width, area of the passage. Okay. Then once you solve the equation, then you will get the W value. Did you understand this one, Vijay? Princey? So did you understand how that 16 plus W came? 16 plus W, 10 plus W. No, did you understand the 16 plus W, 10 plus W? No, now 16 plus W is the length of the outer one, right? 10 plus W is the width of the outer one. So then total area will be the total one, right? If you multiply 16 plus W, 10 plus W, then the area will get the total. So if you subtract this inside one, 16 into 10, you will get the area of the surroundings, which is the passage. That will be 120. Okay. Rohit, got it? Huh? Then solving this quadratic equation is not okay, wow. This is the quadratic equation only, no? What is 16 plus W into 10 plus W? 160 plus W square plus 26W minus 160 equal to 120. Huh? Not clear? 160 cancel. Then 26, right? 26 will be 120. Okay, minus 120. So now you take a W minus 20 into minus 120, yeah? So then what are the 20 plus 6? 26 is 120, but it's not plus 26. We take 30 into 4, okay? 30 into 4 is 120, okay? X plus 30 into X minus W minus 30 and W minus 4. If you take 34, it will come multiplication, how much? Minus 30 plus 4, plus 30 minus 4. Take a middle term says plus 30 minus 4. Then if you sum it, it will be 26. Multiply it minus 120, right? So W will be minus 34. So we can't take minus value. So we need to take a plus only, 4. How much you got? 2, huh? Huh? Oh, they also got 2, huh? Here answer is also given as 2. I don't know what's up. 16 plus 2x. Oh, sorry. Right, 2 only. So sorry, here what is the 16 plus 2W, right? Not W. This side is W, that side is W. Total length will be not 16 plus W, 16 plus 2W. Width will be 10 plus 2W. Okay. Then finally, if you solve that, you will get 2 only. Okay. Anyway, you understood now how to solve it. That's the important thing. So did you understand plus 2W part? Huh? Okay, next sixth one. Sum of the first n even natural numbers is given by relations as n into n plus 1. If sum is 420, then the value of n is so n into n plus 1 equal to 420. Quadratic equation you will get and you solve it. That's it, right? Rohit, that's it, right? Huh? Sorry? Yeah, given n into n plus 1 equal to 420. Then what is n value? N square plus n minus 420 equal to 0. So then what are the middle terms? Middle terms are 2021. Okay. Is that 2021 or something else? 2021, right? So which is n minus 20 plus n plus 21. So n equal to 20. You should take the positive value. Okay. Okay, next sum, seventh one. If sum of the roots of the equation is, if the sum of the roots of the equation is equal to their product, sum of the roots equal to product of the roots, then the k value. Sorry. So what is sum here? Minus b by a equal to minus 2 by k equal to what is product here? 3k by k. Minus 2 by k equal to 3 implies k equal to minus 2 by 3. So what is the eighth question? If sum of the number its reciprocal is the numbers are. If the sum of a number means so what's the equation? So what's the equation? 2 1 by 2. X plus 1 by x equal to 2 1 by 2. Okay, sum of its number with its reciprocal equal to 2 1 by 2. So what's the 2 1 by 2 is 2.5, right? If you take a LCM, x square plus 1 equal to 2.5, x square minus 2.5x plus 1 equal to 0. Is that right? Got it? So then what are the middle terms? Hmm? 2 and 1 by 2. If you take minus 2 minus 1 by 2, then it will be what Vijay says is right. Okay, 2 and 1 by 2. So if you take a 2 and 1 by 2, then middle terms take as minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Then sum will be minus 2.5, product will be 1. So then if you product it will be x minus 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. The next one, ninth question. Answer is D. But what did you D only? Somehow you throw some stone. Ninth one you know, right? Okay. 10th. Find the whole number which when decreased by 20. Sorry, 10th one. 23. We'll go to 23. 23 is not there, no? Oh, 10th answer is 10th answer is 23. Or find the whole number which when is decreased by 20 is equal to 69 times of the reciprocal of the number. So what is the equation? X minus 20 equal to 69 by x. Sorry, 69 by x. Why, where is y? Both are same only, no? 69 into 1 by x equal to 69 by x only, no?
Next one I want to have
69 by x, right? 69 x square minus 20x equal to 69 x square minus 20x minus 69 equal to 0. What are the middle terms? Sorry? Quadratic equation only, no? Oh, how did you get the answer? Oh, like that you did, huh? So what? So finally, what you get? What did you? Huh? 23. 23. 23. 3. Middle terms are 323. Okay. Middle terms are plus minus 23 plus 3. Okay. Then you will get the 23. So next one, 11th one. How much time is given for this paper? 1.5 hours. We are solving in the class. So 11th one. The time taken by person to cover 150 km was 2.5 hours more than the time taken by in the return journey. If you return at a speed of 10 km per hour more than a speed while going, then find the speed per hour in each direction. Rohit? Huh? Vijay, tell now. Huh? Which doubt? Huh? You don't know? So we need to find out the speeds, right? Okay. Take a speed as onward speed as x. Okay. So there are two speeds, no? One is to onward and one is other is a return. One is onward journey, other is return journey. Okay. Take onward speed as x. If you take onward journey speed as x, the time taken by a person to cover 1 kilo. So what is the speed then? So if you take onward journey, so there are two equations. Now what are the equations, Princey? Two equations. Tell me the two equations. So if you return at a speed of 10 km per hour more than the speed while going. So if you take while going, it is x. Then return speed will be, return speed is 10 km or more, right? So x plus 10. Right? And time taken by a person to cover 150 km was 2.5 hours more than the time taken by. So what is the time taken? So to cover 150 kilometers, how much time will be taken? If its speed is x, distance is equal to velocity. Velocity equal to distance by time, right? Okay, displacement to distance. Then what is the distance covered? Velocity to time, right? So x plus 10 into 150, x plus 10 into 2.5. hours more. X plus 10 into distance is 150 kilometers. Time taken by a person to cover 150 kilometers. So if it is a speed x, then what is the time taken by to cover x into 150? Is that right? Time equal to velocity equal to distance by time. Time equal to distance by velocity. 150 by x. Right? So if it is x plus 10, it will be 150 by x plus 10. So that is the time. Then it is given as 150 by x minus 150 by x plus 10 equal to 2.5. Is clear? Then how to solve this one? X LCM is what? X into x plus 10. So this is 150 into x plus 10 minus 150 into x equal to 2.5, which is equal to 150 equal to 2.5x into x plus 10. That 150x will be cancelled out now. So finally the equation is x square plus 10x equal to 600. So if you solve this one, you get x equal to 20. So you understand the formulation? Prinji, did you understand the formulation, equation formulation? Vijay? Yes sir? Rohit? Once you formulate the equation, then solving quadratic equation is that you know, right? That and all you know. Huh? Formulating only difficult, huh? So what about 12th one? 11, okay, 10, 11th is over, now 12th. Now you understood, huh? Y square minus 3 equal to 0. A equal to? Sorry? Sorry? How to solve this one? But they are telling you to solve by factorization, no? Is that a factorization? Then factorize, huh? So here the sum should be what? Product should be minus 3. Sum should be 0. Then take as minus root 3 minus root 3. They are the two factors. Two splits, middle terms. If you take minus root 3, then product is how much? Oh, minus root 3 plus root 3. Okay. Minus 3. So sum will be 0. That satisfies, right? So y minus root 3, y plus root 3 equal to 0, y equal to plus or minus root 3. 13th one, find the values of a and b for which x equal to 3 by 4 and x equal to minus 2 are the roots of the equation. So one you need to substitute for sum, one you need to substitute for the sum of the roots, other is the product of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Let's take first product of the roots. Product is c by a, c by a equal to minus 6 by a, 6 by a equal to 3 by 4 into minus 2, right? Minus 6 by a equal to minus 3 by 2. Then a equal to 4, right? Equal to 4. Then now take the sum. Sum is minus b by a. Minus b by a equal to minus 2 plus 3 by 4. From this you can get the b value. Okay. Vijay, you are here or? The next one, 14th. 14th is clear. If the roots of equation are real, unequal, real and distinct, then prove that the equation has no real roots. Not clear? First only you ask that. Huh? So we need to say that. So what is the condition for the real and unequal? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Less than 0 means no real roots. Vijay, tell her no. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Less than 0, no real roots, no. Rohit. So what is the b here? B is 2c, right? 2c square is 4c square. 4c square minus 4a is how much? 4 into ab. It's equal to greater than 0. Because they are saying it has real and unequal, distinct root, right? That's the condition. So means c square minus ab greater than 0. Which c square greater than ab. Okay. So that's the condition from the first one. Now, what is the condition for the, now take a b square minus 4ac again in the second one. What's the b square value? 2 into a plus b whole square. Right? This is a b square value. 4ac is minus 4 into a square plus b square plus 2c square. This is a b square minus 4ac value. So this we need to show that it's less than 0. Sorry. So try to expand this one. What will happen? 2 into 4 into a square plus b square plus 2ab. Take out 4 common. Okay. And what will happen? Minus a square minus b square minus 2c square. A square b square cancels out. Right? 4 into 2ab minus 2c square. Take out 2 again common. 8 ab minus c square. ab minus c square is less than 0 from the equation 1. So that is less than 0. So it says that it has no real roots. Clear? Vijay, getting sleep, huh? Headache, huh? Okay, take rest. No problem. 10 minutes, right? Clear? So that's why you should go step by step and see. Don't try to take a one-step jump. Take first step and then step. Different method, huh? So next one is
The same as
15th one we solved, no? 16th one we solved. So that we can solve like a 15th one only. Now 17th. Let's go by sequence, no? So you tell me how to solve 17th then. Then we'll go to 21st one. Tell me. They gave you 3 marks, huh? So here the speed is given as 14 meter per second, right? And which follows the curve. So the quadratic curve is given, no? Which is minus 5t squared.
the fully is 5, sir.
5t squared plus 14t plus 3. So that is the distance. Distance it travels. Brother Satvik. Very good, Brother Satvik. Okay. Okay, good, Brother Satvik. Oh, already start ayyara. Okay. Brother, in class lo malli chestanu, okay na? Class lo malli chestanu. So what?
Possible values are 3 and 5.
For what? Huh? So that which is which follows the curve of minus 5t square plus 14t plus 3. Okay. So what is the speed? 15 meters per second, right? So h represents the height in meters and time t in seconds. So if you substitute t equal to 0, what is the value? 3. If you substitute t equal to 3, what is the value in the equation? T equal to 3. Rohit? Question, huh? That you know that minus 5t square plus 14t plus 3, no? If you keep t equal to 3, then what is the value? If you substitute t equal to 3 in that equation, so what is the value I'm asking? Did you substitute? Are you getting 0? No, minus 5 into t is how much? 3 means 15. This 3 square is 9, right? Plus 14 into 3 plus 3 minus 45 plus 42 plus, so equal to 0, right? Huh? But you didn't calculate, no? Then you don't know, no? So they are asking what is the possible values of t when the ball touches the ground. So here ball is touching 2 times, right, the ground, which is that x-axis where it touching, that's the ground. One is touching as 3, that is t value. 3, 0 is t, h value. X-axis t, right? Y-axis h. That says that t equal to 3. h is 0. When h is 0, we need to find out corresponding t value. So one is 3, one is minus 0.2. Those are the possible two values where this is touching the ground. Okay. Find the maximum height attained by the ball. So how to find the maximum height attained by the ball? Measurement, huh? So you got some value. So you know differentiation? Don't know. Differentiation, integration, you don't think of 11th, huh? You started from 12th class and you're coming to 11th and 10th, like that you're coming, no? So going from first, huh? Vijay? So 18th is, so what is the vertical component of velocity? Tell me. What is the vertical component of velocity at h max? 0. What Prince is saying is right only, 0 only. At the maximum height, the velocity. Vijay. Appreciate Vijay. At the maximum height, the vertical component will become 0. At the maximum height, the vertical velocity component will become 0. So find the position of the ball at t equal to 18 means you need to substitute t equal to 18, right? In that equation. That's it. Next one. Huh? 21st question, huh? Okay, 21st. We'll solve it. So if the equation has equal roots, prove that that is equal to that one. Huh? If the equation has equal roots, prove that that one, right? So how to solve it then? Find the discriminant equal to 0 and you will get that one, no? What is the difficulty there, Princey? So what is b square here? 2mc whole square minus 4ac is 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square. Okay. So 4m square c square equal to 0. Okay. Because they are saying has equal roots. So 4m square minus c square minus 4 into. So now, so what are the c square plus m square c square minus a square? So what is the other one? C square m square minus a square m square equal to 0. Okay. So 4 m square c square minus 4c square minus 4 m square c square minus 4 a square minus 4 a square minus m square equal to 0. Right. So this and this will get cancelled out, which is minus 4c square minus plus cancels out. So 4a square plus 4a square m square equal to 4c square. So 4 you can cancel it out. So a square into 1 plus m square equal to c square. What is there, madam? Difficulty so much for you? So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and finally you will get it. So what 22nd one? Okay, come and solve on the board. Okay, just solve it now. Right or wrong, no problem. Just see your methodology. So the length of the this one we solved in the class. So what is it? The length of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 centimeter. So now you take a right angle triangle. Okay, hypotenuse is, let's take base as b. So hypotenuse exceeds base by 2 centimeter. B 2 centimeter and exceeds twice. So what they are telling? The length of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 centimeter and exceeds twice the length of the altitude by 1 centimeter. Yeah, finally we use that only. The length of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle exceeds the length of the base, length of the altitude. Means they are saying hypotenuse. Let's take h or take L. What they are saying, h is equal to length b plus 2 is equal to 2L plus 1. The length of the hypotenuse of a right angle exceeds the length of the base by 2 centimeter. Yeah, that's what they are doing. Okay. So you understood now, Princey? Did you understand these equations? So h is equal to 1 is L b plus 2, other is 2L plus 1. Now from this, if you equate both of them, what will happen? H plus 2 equal to b plus 2 equal to 2L plus 1. So 2L equal to b plus 1. Is that right? And we know that L square plus b square equal to h square. Now substitute 2L, L equal to b plus 1 by 2, right? Substitute that one here, b plus 1 by 2 whole square plus b square equal to h square. H means you can take any of them, x plus 2 or 2y plus 1, anything you can take. X plus 2 whole square. B plus 2 whole square. Now all the equation is in B's, no? Solve for B. Then once you get the B, you can solve for L. Clear? So any other doubts? Other questions we solve now? So how much time we took to solve all the questions? 50 minutes? That's why you need to practice more, Vijay. If practice is not there, then exam will look like a blank.
So I thought we should focus on that because there was a school test.
That
Exams.
uh,
And quantum equation is not so enough, so I thought we should focus on exams.
uh,
I didn't write any.
oh. And then what about with physics? Physics, huh? Physics, you have this light only, right? Light reflections only. Then what? Kaushik got less only. $7.5.